guys, welcome to my channel. So I have my beautiful girlfriend here who allowed me to do and film her and do her makeup, not do her. And film it. This is my St. Patty's Day makeup. Got a little green going on. So if you would like to see how we achieve this, just keep on watching.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Why do they always say that?
Welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channel of Liz.
Nope, that ain't it. All right, look. Just look at the camera.
Oh, it's videotaping already?
Yeah. All right, so the first color that I'm going to use is going to be a basic white matte as the highlighter. And that is going to go right underneath the brow bone, of course. I love you, puppy. I love you, love you, love you, puppy. Why are you laughing?
Because you're insane, but talented.
Don't you like the way I treat Mark?
I love it. It's
I'd be
actually funny.
all day long.
Poor Mark.
The next color is going to be this creamy color coral matte right here. And I'm not going to go all the way in because I want to actually mix that color with the yellow. And I want the inner eye though, I want it to reflect the yellow. The next color is from the Zulu by Juvia's palette, and it is your matte yellow right there. And I am going to start from the inner eye all the way out.
I must say.
The next color is from the same palette, and it's this it's like a reddish brown. It's not a true brown, it's more of a red brown.
Brick?
Brick, but brick, it's more like a brick orange. Look at it. What do you think?
That's Caquita brown.
Caquita brown? All right, now close your eyes. The Magic Palette, again by Juvia's, and this is a frosted green, and it's called Aja, right there. Actually a pigment from Inglot, and the name of it is, the color is 45, so it's like a duochrome, yellow greenish. It's so pretty.
Where do you see green?
That's why it's duochrome.
What's duochrome?
Please, people, explain to her what duochrome means.
What is duochrome?
Like it shifts color.
Oh.
I'm looking for a mirror. I have like 4 mirrors.
She broke them all with her face. Oh.
Oh.
I see the green. I see.
Looks pretty with dry color.
Oh.
Now that I fixed it, now also what I did was I took a little bit of that green and I blended it in with the pigment to have a nice gradient effect. So now I'm just going to go and I'm going to line her eyes. I'm going to use the e.l.f. cream lighter and mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex. Let me see it.
You like to keep it hot. Works better.
And then we will be right back. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to do this really quick. So I'm going to use this Lumini Bright Now Blur. It's a primer. And we're going to put that all over her face. It's the e.l.f. foundation. And her color is caramel. I take off the voice.
What is that?
The sound. Your
That's
foundation.
in my brush?
Huh?
That's in my foundation?
Yeah.
Let me see.
This is her personal one, so it's not anti-hygienic. She doesn't share this. This is hers.
Why do you have to say that?
No, since I'm doing your makeup so that they don't think like I'm going into my stash.
Oh, no wonder why. I was like, I didn't know it came out. I used to squirt it.
You could. I didn't feel like squirting it. Girl, this shit looks so dark. That looks so dark, doesn't it? Do you wear this?
You said bring one that I don't use.
No, I said bring a foundation. Don't bring like the expensive one, like the Kat Von D.
This is it.
Open up your eyes.
This is what Lorenzo picked out. But I like it because, you know, it gives me color because I'm so white.
Yeah. Next is going to be my translucent powder from number 7. So next we're going to use blush. This is from the Sephora palette. This is the Spice Market blush palette. I love this palette. And I'm going to go in with this orange one right here. Smile. I did want to contour and highlight on her, but because of time, I'm just going to do quick, just blush and a little bit of highlighting. Smile. Oh yeah, and the highlighter is from the same palette. This one right here. It's more like a goldish. I should have put one that was green. That's just me. Oh, this one doesn't have a lot of pigmentation.
The one you gave me is really good.
Which one did I give you?
The Too Faced one. I think he has Too Faced. The little compact one.
How you know it was? Oh, you like it?
A lot.
Did you have another highlighter before that one? From who?
Revlon, and then I have another.
Oh, that Rimmel one?
Yeah, Rimmel, and then I have the one from e.l.f. And then I got one from like another palette.
Then just a dash in the nose.
Does it supposed to go all the way up or just goes at the tip?
It depends how you like it. Some people do it all the way like down. Some people, I like just to put just a little bit on the nose. Just a tidbit.
Just
so
a
now,
tidbit.
here, let me just,
Time. I'm just going to
it won't be so exaggerated. Because I know how I can be. Alright, so now, close your face. We're going to set
my
it.
face?
Close your eyes. We're going to set it with a makeup spray. This is the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. I like it. So here we go. It's almost finishing. And I do over-exaggerate a little bit.
I need a towel. It's like taking a shower.
On your neck as well, because you want for the makeup to last.
And match.
Right. Oh, shit. It's almost finishing. Okay, here you go. Wait, don't open your eyes. Don't make no facial expressions because you don't want your face to dry all creased up with the makeup all caked in. In the meantime, we'll be right back with the lipstick. Alright, so last, it's going to be the lipstick, and we're going to do Kat Von D. The first color is called Halo. And I am not good at putting on lipstick on someone else. I should have done it with a lip brush. That's alright. Because I'm going to put the other one on top.
Yeah.
The next one is called Solo. Open. I am not good at putting on lipstick freehand. I should have used a lipstick brush.
How's it?
Look at yourself. Okay, and this is the finished look. How beautiful does she look?
Please subscribe if you like.
That's right. Give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to unleash the makeup whore inside of you. Okay, wait. We gotta do the introduction.
What introduction?
I didn't do an introduction.
What you had to say?
Hey guys,